Hi, this is JulieWaldorf.com, and I have Karina Clark Green here, who works as a fundraiser, selling Beanie Babies in front of the stores. So how is Right Side Up coming along in your eyes?
I think Right Side Up is going to be here for a long time. Right Side Up is here to help the single parents with children that are homeless. And we are all working out there to stop all that, to stop. Like when I'm out there, I tell them, taking the less out of homeless. And that is really like what we're doing. And Julia has been working really hard. We just got our first building, and it's only going to get better. And for the kids, like, their little faces light up when they come to us, you know. And hopefully everyone, before this is all over, every one of these little homeless children will have a home to call home, to have their own little safe little
And single-parented children have a home that they own at the end of the story, so there's at least some sort of stability in the long run.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right. Thanks, Karina. JulieWaldorf.com. Right Side Up. Ciao.